Hello friends, I'm making Bikini Cat for Sonic. So I need this color, so he's a big one. So then I actually need this Terrence that I didn't finish it and I wasted. So yeah, I wasted a lot of things and that big was right there out of my room. So actually, I use that to fill in characters. So first I need this color. So to get it out, so I've got one right here. And he's so big that I don't even need toothpicks for his head. So now I need to stick this. So we keep pressing it. That's what we do till it's done. So I don't know about the legs, but we'll see later how we surround the legs. So this surround, whatever, and so I get this again, and I sometimes I get to just do this. I mean, so I need to cut this a little bit because only some place. That's why I was talking about. So I need to just place it. And the thing is that to line it, line it with the shape because of, it should be lining as the shape because it should be the same shape. That's what is it. We do it quickly so I could talk to you when I finish this. Now it's really clean and it's really big fat like it. Yeah, so whatever. So now I need to place this right there. Yeah. It needs to be a little bit flatter. And yes. That look a little bit hard, but they're not there. Yeah, but I wonder what's about the legs because I have no color left. So I'll just make it a little bit dark or something. Because I use only color. So I'll just mix a little bit white this color or something. So maybe it would be this color. There we go. This is pretty pitch dark. So I like dark colors, so I like that color. Okay, so So now I mix the color. How I need to make his head with this. So now I'm gonna make his hands. Making his hands. So now we're making his mouth. So now this is the mouth. Now I need to make it a little bit fat. Yeah, fat. Yeah, he's fat. Now this head, yeah. I know it's taking a long time, but I need to still make it. have a